Well, after many months, here it is, the culmination of all those previous videos. Completed the Tornado GR1/4 because it's two kits spliced together to make a GR4 of the 617 Squadron Dambusters anniversary, 70th anniversary year. Mainly a Revell kit, but with some Airfix extra parts, specifically this pod, the thing there. As you can tell when I pick it up, they're a bit floppy, these pylons. So yes, it's swing wing, but it's also variable pointing pods, pylons. So if these go out of shape when I'm showing you, you'll know why. They're a bit loose, some of them. Not to worry. What's the decals on these? If that'll show up a second. There we are. Should go it around. A lot of detail. I snapped that off. I tried to put something else there, but that came off as well, so I lost patience with that. Some of the parts are showing their age a bit. The clear part here, moulding's got a bit rough, so I fitted it in, but it's not great. I like how they got the guns though. They're only a little tiny part, but they go in quite well. You can see my fingernails there, can I? Still playing guitar occasionally when I can. All the detail in the cockpit. And you've got the rear of the intakes maintains a gap behind them, unlike just painting it black with some kits. Oops. I thought that would be a decal, but you've got to paint that yourself. And these little tiny bits of plastic for the lights. Put a bit of silver paint behind them. The decal itself for the anniversary doesn't actually fit on this Revell kit, and the decals that came with the Airfix kit also included a strip of white and black. So whether they expected you to fill that in, I don't know, but I'm not going to, because that's not how it is on the original aircraft. I've tried to keep it to the colours of the original aircraft from googling the number ZA492 and including any different colour panels, different shade of grey. There's only 2 or 3 shades of grey in this one, thankfully. But yeah, the wheels, well, they're tricky as usual. All aircraft models got tricky wheels, I think, except for a few exceptions. But this version has actually got the hydraulic or whatever it is to open the undercarriage doors, which is a difference and a good thing. I didn't bother putting anything on the bottom pylons. I could never decide what to put on there, really. There's actually a clear part for the lights on the undercarriage, and likewise on the nose wheel. That's going to show up. Focus, please. Anyway, if it was in focus, you'd see it. But there somewhere. Yeah, not a bad kit, but it's showing its age a bit. These a bit flashy in parts. But there we are. I'll cut it as long as there. I don't want to take too long going over what you may have already seen. But yeah, I was going to build a Red Arrow Hawk, but I've knocked the parts were in, and I've lost 1 or 2 parts, so we'll see. I might have to make a new part, but that's for another day. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye.